Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with the essentials for a delicious homemade donut glaze. In this video, I will show you how to make donut glaze at home. First, gather your ingredients: powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. Sifting 1 cup of powdered sugar is key to a smooth, lump-free glaze. Then, gently whisk in 2 tablespoons of milk and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. This simple base is perfect for any donut. Achieving the perfect consistency is crucial for a beautiful glaze. After mixing your initial ingredients, slowly add more milk, just 1 teaspoon at a time. You want the glaze to be thick enough to generously coat the back of a spoon, yet still flow smoothly when poured. Be careful not to add too much liquid, or your glaze will be too thin and won't adhere properly to your delicious donuts. Once you master the basic glaze, it's time to get creative with flavors. For a zesty twist, try adding 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon or orange zest. If you're a chocolate lover, whisk in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder for a rich, decadent glaze. You can also infuse warm spices like 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon or nutmeg for a comforting, aromatic touch. The possibilities are endless. Now for the fun part, glazing your donuts. For the best results, dip your warm, freshly fried or baked donuts directly into the glaze. This helps create a smooth, even coating. After dipping, place them on a wire rack with parchment paper underneath to catch any excess drips. If you have any leftover glaze, store it in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 day. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.